Please don't scroll this video. Yes, I beg you. Yes, I'm speaking to you. Don't scroll it. Please don't scroll it. I only need 10 minutes of your time to, show you something very important, and trust me, you are going to enjoy it. It will help you. I welcome you to this channel, Secrets of Health TV. And if today happens to be the very first time, kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click onto the notification button. Select all so that anytime we come your way with videos such as this one, you will be the very first person to get notified. Like the video, and then if you have any health topic you want me to discuss, like this one, please kindly let me know at the comment area. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you a question someone has brought to me under the comment section of one of my videos, and the person's name is Adam Abdullahi. If you are watching me, pardon me if I pronounce your name wrongly. And Adam's question is very, very important, and that is the reason why I was pleading to you earlier to kindly stick around, watch the video to the end. And it is all about the hypersensitivity of the gland, or the Gbola, or the joystick, the cap on our joystick. Some people own is super sensitive, very, very sensitive, hyper sensitive. So I was going through the comments and then picking some of the questions, then I chanced onto this particular comment, and I realized that no, it is very important, so I need to pay much attention and then address it through a video like this. And he says, Doc, please, I will be very happy if you do a video on how to deal with hypersensitive gland, or Gbola head. He means the prick, the cap, the joystick of every man. You see there is a cap on it, like this thing here, and that area gives men the pleasure and then the satisfaction anytime the action in the other room is going on. So he said, in men, this is mostly the cause of premature in men, premature age in men. Thank you, and may God richly bless you. So I gave him a reply that well noted, meaning if you send me your comment and I reply to you well noted, then be rest assured that by and by, come what may, I am going to address your question. So that is that, and he is right. That is the cause of most people's that is the cause of most of the premature ejaculations in men. Yes, a lot of men have been complaining that anytime they go near the park, or they go near the palace, then they are down. It is because the prick, which is the cap at the on top of the joystick, is super sensitive, very, 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 very sensitive. And because of this, the moment they enter, then you realize that this thing is down. So I am here in today's video to show you one simple remedy you can use in order to solve that issue. So before I continue and then explain to you how you are going to use this ingredient you can see on your screen to address it, let me first of all take you through other factors that can make a man to always release very, very quickly, aside this hypersensitivity of the prick. If as a man you are having issues like depression, you are having issues like stress, you are likely to suffer from early ejaculation, or you are likely to come very, very early. And then secondly, if you are someone who always is suffering from, let's say, diabetes, and you are on diabetic medication, especially the white one or the orthodox one, you are likely to also come very, very early. Number three, if you are suffering from high blood pressure too, and you are on high blood pressure medication, you are also likely to suffer from the same ordeal. Prostate enlargement or prostate disorder, as a man, if you are suffering from that, you are likely to also, go through the same thing. And it doesn't stop there. Pulse, here in Ghana, we call it cocoa. Yes, cocoa can also make your performance very, very poor. I hope you understand. And then, talking of infections, either viral infections or bacterial infections. So bacterial infections like gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia, and the rest can make you to come very, very early. And then, viral infections such as hepatitis, H, and then the I, and then the V, you can also, suffer from it, and other herpes, and so on and so, forth, as a man. And then one also factor that make men to, to come early, which a lot of men don't pay much attention to, is when you miss your partner. For instance, maybe you are outside the country and your wife is at home. Maybe you are in abroad and your wife is here in Ghana or in Africa here. You people have stayed apart for many years. Like someone I know, she is here, and then the boyfriend is in Accra. So I strongly believe that, by all means, whenever they will meet on that day, only hell will break loose. Yes, I know, and she is laughing. So you understand. If you are a man and you are outside for a very long time, and you come back to meet your wife for the first time in, let's say, 2 years, for the first time in, let's say, 5 years, sometimes if you are not careful, due to the anxiety of the whole situation, you will come very, very early. I hope you understand. So these are, the other causes or other factors that can make a man to come very, very early, aside this hypersensitivity that we are even going to talk about. I hope you understand. Now let's come back to the hypersensitivity. When you look at the Gbola very critically, you realize that the Gbola, it will be having a head. Okay, and that head is made of several nerves and cells over there. It is made of nerves and cells over there. That is why that place is super sensitive. Very, 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 very sensitive. As for the rest, apart from that prick or that heart, the rest of the stick is just a normal stick. Nothing, it's just a normal. The real deal is on this here. You understand? So if that place is cut off, then the rest of the joystick is useless. That small place, if it is cut off, that is the rest of the joystick will be useless. I hope you truly understand. So the reason why that place is super sensitive is because there are a lot of nerves over there. So you that is having this kind of problem, what it means is that, there is too much blood flow through the area, and that area is so sensitive to the extent that the moment you go, then you will come. Now you ask yourself, how are you going to resolve that issue? Very, very simple. This ingredient you can see on your screen is no other than cloves. Okay, cloves. Here in Ghana we call it pepper. Very, very aromatic, in nature. All you need to do as a man is that, you soak a little, maybe, let's say a handful or about 2 to 3 tablespoonful in a water, in a warm water. Soak it in the water for 24 hours. Okay, after 24 hours, the water, maybe you can soak 2 tablespoonful of the cloves in about, let's say, 400 ml of water, and let it soak in the water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, all you need to do, you get a cotton wool. You dip the cotton wool inside the mixture, the soaked water, and then you just rub it onto the heart. Okay, yes. Cloves has, an antioxidant which is capable of numbing, a tissue or cells. So the moment you begin to rub the fluid or the water onto the area, in the beginning you feel a bit, heat, but don't worry. Within 2-3 minutes time, the heat will just vanish, and then eventually it will numb the what? It will numb the area. And when the place is numb, automatically you can go for a very long time without you coming down. Very, very easy, very, very simple. I hope you understand. And it has no side effect. Okay. Unlike those ones you people normally buy, in the drugstores. Okay. So this one is natural. You numb the area. Maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour before the action, you can use the water to numb the area. And the good news is that this water can be stored for many, 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 many years without spoilage. It will not spoil. Yes, because cloves itself is a preservative. It preserves itself, and whatever you are going to mix with cloves, that thing is going to be preserved. Cloves is a natural preservative, so it will never go bad anytime you soak it. So you can soak it and leave it there and be applying it with on your distance, on the cap of your joystick, and you are good to go. Very, very simple. I hope I haven't wasted your 10 minutes or your time, and I believe you have enjoyed and really gotten something out from it. Now you can scroll it up because I am done. Thank you very much for watching, by the way. And if this is your first time, subscribe to the channel, click onto the notification bell, select all, so that you can always get our notifications anytime we upload a new one. And if you have any question you want me to, or any health topic you want me to discuss, please don't hesitate, just bring it out. Let me know at the comment area. By the grace of God, we are going to address it. Have a nice day and stay blessed. Bye.